Okay, in this lesson we're going to look at the exotic currency pairs. And one thing that we've noticed is when people discuss the exotic currency pairs, they're questioning whether if you should trade the exotic currency pairs or if it's a good idea to trade them at all. The exotic currency pairs are extremely valuable to all traders, and there's really no way you can trade the Forex without them. And we'll prove that here in this lesson. So let's look to see what the currency pairs are here, the exotic currency pairs. The exotic currency pairs are any pair where the USD is not in the left or the right. So you can see all these pairs have no USD on the left or the right. With the Forex early warning trading system, we trade 28 pairs, and 21 of them are exotic pairs, and then you have the 7 major currency pairs with the USD on the left or the right. So 28 pairs total, 21 exotic pairs. The thing about trading with the exotic currency pairs and the majors side by side is that you'll get a lot more pips. You know, you can increase your pip potential 300 to 400% if you trade the major pairs side by side with the exotic currency pairs and just pick the best trading opportunity, the best trend, and the best signals for entry. There's a lot of articles out there on the internet that tell you to trade, like only to trade one currency pair, or only to, get to know one pair really well. And that is completely and totally categorically wrong. What you'll do is you'll force trades into the Euro USD or start scalping, when the fact of the matter is there's other pairs that are moving very fast, producing a lot of pips, and you're completely missing them. So if you trade the exotic currency pairs, you're going to get a lot more pips. You're going to be trading 28 pairs total, and then you're going to pick the best pairs. Now, sometimes the Euro USD will be fine to trade. You'll get the right trend, the right signal. But there's nothing wrong at all with trading all 28 pairs and picking the best opportunity. The currency market is loaded with opportunities, and if you trade exotic currency pair on the higher time frames, you're going to get large pip totals and completely ignore the Euro USD. The only difference is you might have to pay 1 or 2 more pips on the spread. Out of the 28 pairs we trade, about 25 pairs have a fairly low spread. And so at least 25 pairs you could trade them, and with some brokers you can trade all 28, no problem. Spreads have been tightening consistently over the years, and everything is moving in our favor of trading 28 currency pairs. If you demo trade the exotic pairs, you will get over any possible objections to trading them. So just demo trade the exotic pairs, and you'll find out that every bit of good as opportunity as the Euro USD or any of the major pairs. So when you're conducting your market analysis, the exotic pairs are extremely valuable. Let's say you want to analyze the Euro USD. Well, what we do is we split the Euro USD into two pieces, the Euro part of the pair and the USD part of the pair. To analyze the Euro, you would have to analyze 7 currency pairs. And so you would be analyzing a total of 14 pairs, 7 Euro pairs, and 7 USD pairs to analyze the Euro USD. That's how we do it. We set up the trend indicators by individual currency. So you'll be analyzing, the Euro USD, Euro Yen, Euro Pound, Euro Aussie, Euro New Zealand, etc. Be analyzing 7 Euro pairs and then 7 USD pairs. Well, in this case, 7 of the USD pairs, that's 7 major pairs. So you would have to inspect 6 exotic currency pairs to analyze Euro USD. Now, if you're analyzing a pair like the Pound Yen, once again, you would have to analyze 14 pairs total. But in this case, to analyze the British Pound and the Yen separately, one side at a time, you're going to be using 12 exotic currency pairs total to analyze the Pound Yen. So here you analyze 6 exotic pairs. In here you analyze 12 exotic pairs to analyze these two currency pairs, because you'll be analyzing each side of the pair separately. That's how we do it. We analyze each pair by individual currency. So the Euro USD is a major pair, the pound yen is an exotic pair, but in both cases you're looking at a whole lot of exotic pairs to do your analysis. Now there's a lot of factors you have to put into building a trading plan, including analyzing the individual currencies involved. So if you want to know all the factors for preparing a trading plan, just click on that link there and you'll come to this article about preparing a trading plan. It'll give you all of the information you need to prepare a trading plan. But part of the information you need to prepare a trading plan is you need to take the pair you're analyzing and split it up into its two pieces. That means that for each pair you're looking at, you would have to analyze 14 pairs. So the exotic currency pairs play an incredibly large role when you're just analyzing the currency pairs one at a time. Now you can also use the exotic currency pairs to enter trades. And so let's look at this example below. So we have this tool that's called the Forex heat map on our website, and here is an example sell signal for the euro yen. Well, in order to produce the sell signal for the euro yen, the euro would have to be weak. You can see the euro is weak because the euro is on the left, and the yen would have to be strong. The yen is on the right, so that means all the yen pairs would have to be dropping. Well, in order to get the proper sell signal for the euro yen, using the Forex heat map, you would have to look at 12 exotic pairs and two major pairs. You would have to look at the Euro USD and the USD yen, two major pairs. All of the rest of the pairs are exotic pairs. So in order to get a proper buy or sell signal for any pairs using our system, once again you would have to look at a very large number of exotic currency pairs. This is very strong and very conclusive evidence that it's absolutely necessary to use the exotic currency pairs, not only for market analysis but for trade entries. This is a solid trading system here, and so is our system for analyzing currency pairs. Pairs like the euro yen are fantastic. They have low spreads, they move fast, they're volatile. There's other exotic pairs like the Aussie CAD that move slower, and then there's other pairs like the pound Aussie that move very fast, like a roller coaster, very fast. And so, but in all those situations you would have to have a system like this to tell you if you're ready to buy or sell. Also, to tell you if the pair is trending, you would have to use the analytical methods up here, because all of these analytical methods apply to all 28 pairs we trade. Another small bonus is swaps and rollover interest on currency pairs. Right now, the Aussie and New Zealand have the highest interest rate of the 8 currencies we follow. So pairs like the Aussie Swiss and the New Zealand yen, if you were to buy those pairs, you would get paid the highest daily swaps on the market right now. You'd get the daily rollover interest and triple swap on Wednesday, paid into your account, and the best payouts on rollover interest right now are on the exotic currency pairs, not the major pairs. So once again, this is more evidence, another advantage of trading the exotic pairs. So our conclusions are pretty clear here. It should be pretty clear that there's a tremendous number of advantages to trading the exotic currency pairs. You trade them alongside the major pairs. You can trade any exotic pair just like the Euro USD. You just enter the trade and you treat it the same way. The Euro USD is great for trading, but so are the exotic pairs. And you'll get a lot more pips. You'll get 3 to 4 times more pips. You'll be trading 3 to 4 times more pairs, and also more volatile pairs like the British pound pairs. So incorporate the exotic pairs into your market analysis program, currency pair analysis program, and your trade entry program, and you'll get fantastic results and a lot more pips. So this is lesson 27 in our 35 lesson package. about the exotic currency pairs. It tells a different story than some of the other articles you see out there about the exotic currency pairs. Please trust the information you see in this video. You will love trading the exotic currency pairs and see the value of trading them quickly.